Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we will be solving the problem Example 2.2. Here the question is, find the quotient and remainder when A is divided by B in the following cases. First option is A equals minus 12, B equals 5. And second one is A equals 17, B equal minus 3. And third one, A equals minus 19, B equals minus 4. Here A is given, B is given. We need to find out quotient and remainder by using Euclid's division lemma theorem. In my previous video, I have discussed about Euclid's division lemma. In that, I have discussed about only one scenario, that is A will be positive number and B will be positive number. Both are positive numbers. In that case, simple division process will work. But in this case, we have negative numbers also. In this case, that normal division process will not work. We should remember something, that is, here we have one negative number and one positive number. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. We have only one negative number. So here the quotient, Q means quotient. Okay, quotient should be minus number. Why? Because we have only one minus number. Okay, here we have only one minus number. The quotient should be minus number. It's default thing. It will not change. You should remember that. And here we have A is negative number, B is negative number. Both are negative numbers. So the quotient answer will be positive number. If it is both positive, the answer will be positive. If you have only one negative, the answer means quotient value should be negative. Here also we are having only one, so that answer is quotient answer is minus. Here we have two negative numbers, so quotient and answer will be positive, and it will not change. Okay, this condition should be true in all these kind of scenarios, and in all cases R means remainder should be positive number. In all cases, remainder should be positive number. If you have a negative number, then there might be some slight changes in quotient. I will explain it now. Now we can see the answer. For the solution, I have written the given thing. Given thing is A and B. That is A equals minus 12, B equals 5. What we need to find out? Q and R. What is Q? Q means quotient. R means remainder. We are going to use Euclid's division lemma theorem. What is the formula of Euclid's division lemma? Formula of Euclid's division lemma is A equals BQ plus R, right? Where R less than B greater than or equal to 0. This is the formula for Euclid's division lemma. Here A is minus 12, B is 5, and we have to find out Q and R. Okay, now I am applying the values. A is minus 12, B is 5. We need to find out Q and R here. So for that, if I want to divide 12 by 5, minus 12, remember minus 12. Okay, we have A as minus 12. So the quotient, what I said earlier, this if you have one negative number, one positive number as A and B, you will be getting negative number as quotient. Okay, so I can put minus here. Now I am going to divide 12 by 5. Okay, 12 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. If you want to subtract 0 from 2, I'll be getting 2. Okay, then we couldn't divide 2 by 5. So what I'm going to do is, we can put 1 point. Here we can add 1 0. For adding 1 0, I'm putting 1 point over here. And now we can divide 20 by 5. 4 5s are 20. So I'm getting 4 5s are 20. So I'm getting 2.4. Okay, here we should take the whole number as quotient. That should not be in decimal number. It is a point number, so we can say it is a decimal number, but we should not take decimal number. We should take whole number, either 2 or 3. Either 2 or 3, because this is 2.4. So we can take either 2 or 3, but it should be negative. Okay, minus 2 and or minus 3. What we are going to do is, we are going to apply minus 2 first. In this formula, we are going to apply minus 2 in place of q for finding r. If after applying that, if you are getting r value was negative, that is a wrong answer. We should go for next option. Okay, we should apply both, in which case we are getting remainder as positive, then that is a correct quotient and remainder. Okay, now I am taking minus 2 as quotient. Here I have applied minus 12 for A and 5 for B, and quotient minus 2. I am taking minus 2. This is multiplication, B into Q, 5 into minus 2. Okay, plus R. I should find out R value from this equation. So now I have taken Q as minus 2. Okay, then minus 12, 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, plus R, and then minus 12. If I am taking minus 10 to this side, left hand side, it will become plus 10. And then I am getting minus 12 plus 10 here. What is the answer of minus 12 plus 10? Answer is minus 2. Here I am getting R value as minus 2. So here, as I said earlier, for remainder, the value should be in positive. If you are getting minus, you should not take this quotient. We should take next option. Okay, this is not correct. So I am going to take minus 3 as quotient. So here I am applying minus 3 for Q. So now we are trying to get the R value. Then 5 into minus 3, minus 15, plus R. If I want to take minus 15 to this side, that becomes plus 15. So here the answer would be plus 3, right? Minus 12 plus 15. What would be the answer for this? 3 plus 3. R value is plus 3. So condition satisfied, right? Here we are getting positive number. So the condition satisfied. So we can take this as quotient and this as remainder. Okay. Answer is Q equals minus 3, R equals 3. This is the answer. This is the answer for first sub question in example 2.2. This is little bit complicated, but if you understand the process, you can do it easily. For this, you have to practice more. If you are having A and B, both are positive numbers, there is no changes. You can apply the same simple division formula. But in case if you are getting one negative, if you are having one negative number and one positive number, both are negative number, then there might be slight changes. Like this, you have to remember some things, how the value of Q changes according to minus A and B. If you are having one negative number, the answer should be negative. I mean quotient should be negative. And if you are having both negative numbers, the quotient answer should be positive. That you should remember that. And in this formula, this is the formula of Euclid's division lemma. In this formula only, we are going to apply the values for finding R value. Here what we have to do is, we need to divide A by B. What is A here? Minus 12 and 5B. And when we are dividing, if you are getting 2, we need to add 1 0 here, so that I am putting 1 point. And after that, you should divide the same thing, like 20 by 5, we will be getting 4. So we have gotten decimal numbers. In this case, we should take the whole number as quotient. We should not take decimal number as quotient. We should take whole number, either 2 or 3, because this is 2.4. That's why we can take either 2 or 3. For that is minus 2, right? Minus 2 or minus 3. But you have to apply minus 2 first. If you are getting remainder as negative, that answer will be wrong. So that you have to go for next option. If you are getting remainder as positive number, then that quotient should be correct. Okay. So here we are getting quotient as minus 3 and remainder as 3. This is the first sub question. Now we can see second sub question. Here I have written second sub question. The question is A equals 17, B equals minus 3. We need to find out quotient and remainder. I have written Euclid's division lemma theorem. Now A equal BQ plus R. I am going to apply the value of A and B. B is minus 3, right? I need to find out Q and R. Here we have only one negative number. According to A and B, we have only one negative number, so that quotient should be in negative number. So quotient should be in negative. Okay. Then I am going to divide 17 by 3. Because A is 17, B is 3. So I am going to divide 17 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 5 if you want to subtract 5 from 7, we'll be getting 2. Okay, after that we couldn't divide 2 by 3, so I'm going to put the point and I'm adding one more 0 here. What I'm getting now, 6 3s are 18. Now again I'm getting 2. I need to add one more 0. 6 3s are 18. Then again I'm getting 20 again and again. The quotient will be 6 6. It goes on. So here, what could be the exact answer of Q, quotient? Minus, either minus 5 or minus 6. Okay, either minus 5 or minus 6. Why? Because I'm having a 5.6. So I'm taking minus 5 and minus 6. I have to check whether this minus 5, if I am applying minus 5 for Q, I'm getting R as positive number or not. So I'm taking minus 5 first. So I'm applying, B is minus 3 and Q is, I'm taking this minus 5 plus R. From this equation, I'm going to find out the value of R. Sorry, this is not Q. This is 17 only. 17 equals minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. 2 minus plus 15. Okay. Plus R. And I'm taking this plus 5, 15 into this side. To this side. So I should put minus 15 equals R. So the answer is R equals 2. The value of R is 2. This is positive number. Okay, then quotient is correct. So here the quotient is minus 5 and remainder is R. Answer is Q is minus 5. R is 2. This is the answer of second sub question. Alright. Here R should be greater than or equal to 0, right? If you are getting minus means, minus number means that is not a correct answer. So that only we are going for next option. Here the condition is R less than or less than B but greater than or equal to 0. That should be greater than or equal to 0. That should not be less value. Less than 0. Okay. This is the answer of second sub question. One more question is there. Third one. We can see third question now. Now for the solution for the third sub question, we have A equals minus 19, B equals minus 4. Okay. So the quotient should be plus, right? Quotient should be in plus value. We need to find out quotient and remainder. Here I have written the Euclid's division lemma. And now I have to apply the value of A and B here. A value is minus 19. B is minus 4 and then I need to find out the value of Q and R. Okay, for that I should divide 19 by 4. Here we are having two negative numbers, so I am taking quotient as, I should take quotient as plus number. Okay, answer should be in plus. So when I am dividing minus 19 by minus 4, I am getting 4 4s are 16, right? 4 4s are 16. If I want to subtract 6 from 9, I'll be getting 3. So here we couldn't divide 3 by 4, so that I should put 1 point and I have to add one more 0. And now we can divide 30 by 4. You'll be getting 7 4s are 28, right? 7 4s are 28. Here I'm getting the value. If you want to subtract 28 from 30, I'll be getting 2, right? Again, I'm adding one more 0. Then 4 4s, again I'm getting 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay, the answer is 4.75 plus 4.75. In this case, I should take quotient as either 4 or 5. Either 4 or 5. I have two options, 4 or 5. Why? Because I should take only the whole number. I should not take the decimal number. That could be either 4 or 5. Okay, we should take whole number only. We should not take this decimal number. That's why I'm taking either 4 or 5. I should apply 4 first and check whether I'm getting R value is plus or positive number or not. If I'm not getting positive number, I should go for next option. Okay, now I'm taking plus 4. Okay, here Q value is plus 4 and R. From this only I have to find out the value of R. Minus 19 equals minus 4 into 4 minus 16, right? Then plus R. If I want to take minus 16 to this side, it becomes plus 16. So minus 19 plus 16 equals R. Here what would be the answer? Minus 19 plus 16. Minus 3 I am getting. Minus 3. So the condition not satisfied, right? The condition is R should be positive number. R should be greater than or equal to 0, but we are getting minus 3. So this is not correct answer. So that I am going for next option. I have to apply 5 for quotient next. Okay, I need to apply 5 plus 5 for quotient. In this formula I am applying the values. Q is plus 5, minus 19, 4 into 5, minus 4 into 5, minus 20 plus R. And if I want to take minus 20 to this side, it becomes plus 20 equals R. Then minus 19 plus 20 value is 1, right? The value of R is 1. Now the condition satisfied. So we can take the quotient value as 5. This is the answer of correct answer of quotient. Answer equals Q equal 5, R equals 1. We found quotient and remainder. This is the answer of third sub question. It's all about example 2.2. For Euclid's division lemma theorem, we have to remember some things. In different scenarios, how the quotient value changes. You should remember that. Like if you are having A and B as positive, the quotient value should be positive. If both A and B is negative, the quotient value would be positive. And if you are having only one negative, either A or B, the value of quotient should be negative. And in all the cases, remainder should be positive number, either 0 or positive number. So that's the thing you have to remember in this case. If you practice more, you can solve this problem easily. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends, and for more updates subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques, and we'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.